Hey there, TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee. Damn, do we have a good-looking 250 for y'all today. This is going on man John. He's in the great state of Tennessee, just over the hill in Oak Ridge from us. You know, we're in Knoxville, the best place to be in Tennessee. Anyways, John came over to the shop, picked out his tank, hand-selected it. Did he do a good job? Let me tell you what, this sucker looks slick. Beautiful patina on this. So guys, we'll go over that first. This is our patina finish. What that means, we get a huge selection of tanks over here. Actually, just got about 30 more in today. So we'll keep a good selection here. We'll send you pictures of them all. Find whichever one you like best. Now, the whole time we're working on it, we're gonna be very careful, mark out all our grinding marks, have real clean. We take good care of this tank, all right? Mother Nature took good care of her. We're gonna take good care of her too, all right? So when we get done working on it, we sand it, clean it up, put 3 coats of high gloss clear coat on it. And whew, man, does it lock in. That patina looks great. This one in particular looks extremely nice, but that's basically the finish on the 250, all right? We can also custom paint them, but this is just our standard patina finish. Now, as you can see, it is on the off-road package. All right, standard, this pit's gonna be about 7,500 bucks. It's gonna come on a set of skids. If y'all haven't seen our skid package, go search on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, find the skid package. They are badass. The off-road package just takes it to the next level, all right? We got 3D fabricated axles, stiffener brace down there underneath. This is on our upgraded tire package. This is a medium-sized tire package. We also have a extra large tire package as well. We'll get to the smoker. Now, the fold-down stack, that is standard. All right, counterweights are extra on a 250. He did add counterweights on this one. 250s don't necessarily have to have them, but it is nice to have them. Open this up here. So we got our 3 stationary grates to the bottom. They are removable for easy cleaning. And then, of course, we got the 2 sliding top racks as well. Drip guard on the door there. TMG Pits Tell Truth thermometer on each side. Come around to the firebox. This is our fully insulated firebox. Door is insulated. The front of the firebox is insulated as well. Holds heat great. So guys, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.